Hello everyone, this is WowProperty here. Today we have a little bit different video concept than usual. I'm not a real estate agent for myself, but today I'm going to show you a quick tour of this brand new villa. It's just built and ready to move in. It's on the market for 1.75 million euros, and if you have any questions or interest about the property, I will leave all the contacts of the agent down below. But now more about the property. It's 404 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms and a parking place for 4 cars. We stand right in front of the main entrance, and as you can see, we have this beautiful marble frame with these massive wooden doors. I love the size. I think looks really posh. And when you open the door, the first thing you see is this bright and spacious lobby. And now on the screen you're gonna see the plan of the first floor. On the first floor we have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open concept dining, living room and kitchen area. Let's start with this main living, dining and kitchen area. Because I think you're gonna spend most of your time here. You can see how bright the space is and how much daylight slides in from your 4 sliding door windows. But let's start with this wall. On this side you have a space for a TV right under fireplace with this marble padding. On this side we have sliding door access to the backyard, and on this wall right in front of your TV wall you have 2 sliding door access to your garden and swimming pool area. As you can see, you have plenty of space for your dining table, a huge couch or any other furnishings. For me, it's quite hard to visualize how this place looks without furnishing. That's why I will show you an example how this place would look like with furnishing in. And this is your fully fitted kitchen with island. On this side, kitchen is very minimal but functional. You have your inbuilt Siemens oven, microwave, a pretty large sink, electrical cooktop. Everything is soft closing, just push, there's no handles. And on this side you have your Siemens inbuilt fridge and freezer as well. And right behind these sliding doors is your laundry room with a few cabinets, a sink and a washing machine in the middle. And now I will show you the both bedrooms of the first floor. And there's one thing I forget to mention. You have underfloor heating in this house as well. So now let's go to our first bedroom. It's very bright, a lot of daylight comes in. You have your outdoor sliding door access. This is the bathroom with a pretty large walk-in shower and an inbuilt closet space as well. And now let's go to the second bedroom. we have our sliding door access to the backyard, a lot of daylight as well, and inbuilt closet space, of course. And on this side, the bathroom with another pretty spacious walk-in shower. And now let's go upstairs. I will show you the second floor. I love how these dark marble paddings looks on the stairs. And now I will show you the third bedroom of the house. As you can see, you have a lot of space for all your furnishings. You have your sliding door access to your private balcony. On this side, you have inbuilt closet space. And of course, the bathroom with a pretty large walk-in shower. And now I will show you the master bedroom. It's pretty spacious, and again, I love how bright all the rooms are in this house. There's a lot of daylight coming in from these sliding door windows. So on this side you have your sliding door access to your private balcony, and on this side you have plenty of space for your king-size bed. And right behind this wall you have your walk-through wardrobe with a lot of shelves and inbuilt closets on both sides. I think this wall could be a good place for a massive mirror because of this window of this side. There's a lot of daylight slides in. And on this side you have your master bathroom. I love how this inbuilt bath looks like with this natural color stone paddings. On this side you have two sinks and a pretty large walk-in shower as well. And overall, master bedroom is pretty spacious as well. And now let's go to the rooftop solarium. So this is your rooftop solarium, and I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of this new build villa. And if you have any questions or you're interested in this property, make sure that you contact the agent that I listed in description. Subscribe for more videos, and we hope to see you soon in the next one.